Hi guys, I'm Shmee, hello and welcome back to the channel where you join me today here at Ford World HQ in Dearborn, Michigan. Delighted to announce that one of these, the new 7th generation Mustang Dark Horse, is going to be the next US Shmee-mobile. Today we're going to be taking a quick look around the Dark Horse, a recap if you will of what makes this car so special. We're going to be talking about why I've decided to order a Dark Horse, then we're going to be diving into my spec, revealing exactly what I've chosen, and of course talking a little bit about the pricing, because this is certainly one very expensive Mustang, but being here at the HQ of the Blue Oval is really quite extraordinary. With this particular car, they very kindly placed so we can take a look at it today, but you might have got the gist that I was teasing this a little bit when I did see the new Dark Horse for the first time over at the Barrett-Jackson auction in Scottsdale, where VIN 001 of the new 7th generation car went across the block. But today, yes, I can confirm the next US Shmee-mobile is a Mustang Dark Horse.